Hello everyone and welcome back to another Gundam video, and this is going to be a follow-up to the one that I found on 4chan about the virtual Gundam experience. I just seen another post here, so I went and checked out the link which I'll be putting down below. This is the Dengeki Hobby, and they're going a little bit more into what is the Gundam Model Battle Laboratory before the event at the very end of, I think it's this month, somebody said. I might have to check it out. Let's just have a look. July the 21st. Oh, what? Okay, so it might already be going on. This is late. When was this out? July the 20th. So yeah, this dropped really early. I'm going to have to look for more info on this, but basically they go on about just build divers in general, but they also show you... Wait a minute. I'm getting distracted here. Looks like there's a Neo Zeong in the back there that's custom... It's custom done in, like, blue. That looks cool. But yeah, we've got two of the main cast from Build Divers that are being part of the show. And they're showing off the virtual reality thing that I covered in another video. They show you scanning in different parts, and then those parts being in the game. Like, for instance, here, they've got this running with Build Divers model kits, where they've got the H2 Magnum and the 00 Diver mixed together, and then on the bottom screen it shows you... Come on, trying to load up these. It shows you the models that are being loaded in. And later on, we can actually see in one of the screenshots, they scanned in the Momo Carpool, and it's in there. And then when we go down here, we can see that the 00 Diver H2 Magnum cross that they had is actually in the game, exactly how they scanned it. So I have no idea whether this is a gimmick or how they've done this at the moment, but this looks fantastic. I'm going to have to look more into this. Apparently it's an event that's going on. There's free participation for junior high school students, so anybody that's in Japan and is in junior high, that is going to be a fantastic experience. This is going on from Saturday and from the 21st of July to the 2nd of September. So I can't wait to see more videos of this. It's going to be fantastic. Oh, I see they've split up the experience times, so you can only go in at certain times to go over this. But this is when Build Divers is still out and relevant as well, so they're trying to take advantage of it as most as possible. It says here, to experience the content, you've got the Gundam customization experience, which takes maybe about 5 minutes. Then you scan it, which takes about 3 minutes. Staff will do the work, it mentions here. Then you've got the 3D data creation, which takes about 20 minutes. Staff will do the work, leaving the booth as possible, so you don't have to stay around because of how long it takes. 3D data operation confirmation experience about 2 minutes. If you leave the booth, you will not be able to experience until the designated time. So it seems like a lot of time is being taken to scan things at the moment, but these are, again, the first steps. There's a lot of Build Divers stuff all over the place by the look of it. And they're going to have some of the other kits available and have examples of them on show. Like that one's the 00 Sky Beyond... what is it? Beyond Sky or something like that? The name for it. I can't remember, honestly. So that's all at the Gundam base in Tokyo. That is a fantastic event. But the one thing that we should take away from this is just the scanning portion. This is the start of getting the Build Divers network, or the Gundam Battle Network game style thing going on in real life. It's mental at this point. I don't know how they're doing this. Obviously, it's taking a long time. The fact that they've said it's like 20 minutes to scan one in, that's a long time, and nobody's going to be patient for that at the moment, considering it takes like 2 to 3 seconds in the anime. But I'm sure they're probably working, or they will be working, on new ways to get this scanned in as soon as possible, so we'll have to keep an eye on this and see how it goes. Anyway, what do you guys think of this? I'll see you in the comments down below. This is really interesting.